Good day, everybody. So let's take a look at a new question. So in this question, we're going to build a small password checker. So we are given two values before. One is the username and one is the password. Now what I have to do in this question is a user will give an input, suppose name and then password. Okay. Now I have to verify if both of these are equal to the predefined username and password. So how will I do that is first I'll take a input. So I'll say input username is equal to input. Okay. So this will take the input and convert it to into string form and assign it to the variable input underscore username. So the next step is to say input password, right? So input password will take the uh, next line of input and then assign it to the variable to input underscore password. So now I have to check if they are equal, right? So I'll check if username equal to input username. Then I'll say print uh, username is correct or wait, before that I'll say if username is equal to input username, then we'll go on to the next step, else print incorrect username. Okay. Now if username is equal to input username, I can't directly print, right? Because I need to give him access only upon confirmation if the password is also correct. So I'll say if, one second, if password is equal to input underscore password. Now if this is true, then say access granted, else say incorrect password. So if I check it, you see incorrect username. So this step got checked, but it failed, and so it directly printed incorrect username. So if you see, there's a problem with this. If someone is trying to access the username or trying to break into the system, now he'll exactly know what's the error with the username. What's the problem happening? Is it with the username or is it with the password? So to make it slightly difficult for suppose a hacker to crack it, what we can say is incorrect username or password. You would have seen this in Facebook or Instagram login pages too. So I'm just copying the same code. I'll just say incorrect username or password. So this will ensure that it's slightly difficult for the hacker to understand if username is correct or password is correct. Okay. So now it'll just say incorrect username or password. Now let's try. Okay. If I say username is equal to user123 and then password I'll make it the same. It'll still say incorrect username or password because now it has checked the username part is correct. Now it has checked this part where password is correct to input password. It's wrong, and then it directly printed this statement. So if I say instead of password, I'll actually put the correct password. Now if I run it, I'll get access granted. I hope you understood the logic behind a password checker. Thank you.